One of the easiest ways to tie a tie is called the single Windsor knot. You start by taking the left side and going over the right, then go through the back and pull it all the way through. Make sure you pull tight, a little tighter. And you go across the back, the same way you came, and over your finger, through the back. And you extend your knot just a little bit so that you can pull it through. Once you have it all the way down, you pinch across the bottom to get your triangle and continue pulling on the front. Then you pull your tail to get it up to your neck, and then pull your tail. And then you would pull down your collar after you tuck your tail in the back. Making sure that you pinch the bottom to make your triangle. And that's it. How's that feel?
Perfect.